Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are on page 150 of your student journal, 150, 150. And our objective today is I will compare numbers and identify which number is greater or equal. Okay, so today we're going to be looking at numbers. So we're going to compare numbers. We're not going to be comparing groups. We're going to actually just look at the numbers, and we're going to look for what is greater or equal, okay? Okay, so let's remind ourselves, friends, what some of these words mean. So equal means they're the same. So 5 is equal to 5 because they're the same. Okay, what does greater and more mean? So 5 is greater than 2. That's why this one is circled. Or we could say 5 is more than 2. These two words mean the same thing. So I could say 5 is greater than 2 or 5 is more than 2. And then this is the other word was less and fewer. So 2 is less than 5 and 2 is fewer than 5 because those words mean the same. And then they show us a number line. A number line is a great way to see these. And remember, I kind of gave you a hint before that on the left side, they're worth less. So they're worth less on this side. Okay, that's our less side. Okay, boys and girls, there's a lot of steps here. I'm going to read through them, but then we're just going to practice them. So it says we're going to identify each number on the number line. So we're going to use on the bottom of your work, you'll see a number line. We're going to use that to help us, okay? And then it says determine what numbers on the left, remember our left, and we could use our hands, our left hand. This number is less than. So the number on the left is less, and then it says determine what number is on the right. That would be your other hand. This one's my right. This number is greater than the other. Okay, and then compare the two numbers on the number line to determine which is greater or less. Okay, so boys and girls, I'm going to show you what this looks like using my red pen. So you're going to put your pencil down. Okay. All right, here's my first problem. It says they want me to circle the number that is greater. They want me to circle the number that is greater. Okay, so what do I see? I see a 5 and a 2, friends. I'm going to come down here to my number line, and I'm going to find those on my number line. My first number was a 5, and then my next number was a 2. Okay, so what do I see on my number line? I see on the left, this is my left hand, the number on the left is less. This number is less, because it is where my left hand is. So if this one is less, that means this one has to be greater. So when they tell me to circle the number that's greater, I am going to circle the 5 because the 2 is less, which means the 5 must be greater. Okay, let's look at my next one, boys and girls. It says, circle the number that is equal to the first number. They want a number that's equal to the first number. This number is a 4. Which of these is equal? Remember, equal means the same. So is this one, this 4 is the same as this one. So this 4 is equal to this one. Okay, boys and girls, let's try some of those together. We're on page 151. Page 151, which is 151, and this is what it looks like, our first problem. And it says, circle the number that is greater. They want our greater number. And the two numbers they gave us were 2 and 4. Let's come down here, boys and girls, and find them. 2 and 4. So I see a 2 is here, and I see a 4 is here. Okay, let's put our hands up. Ooh, do you see an L with this one? This is called an L. So on the left side, the number on the left Number closest to the left, this is less. This number then is less. So if this number is less, this one must be greater. The 4 must be greater. And our directions say, circle the number that is greater. 4 is greater than 2. 4 is greater than 2. Okay, let's look at our next one. It says, circle the number that is equal to the first number. Well, my first number is a 3. This is called a 3, friends. Which one of these is equal? Equal means the same. Which one of these looks the same as this? This one is the same. 3 is equal to this 3. And I could show you because I could draw 3 circles, and this one I could draw 3 circles. They're equal. They're the same. Okay, boys and girls, you're going to continue to practice this. Have a good day. Bye-bye.